Thanks a ton, Active Designs, for giving us such a beautiful house. We are very happy. We are on cloud nine, and trust me, we will recommend you to all our friends and relatives. Thanks a lot, Active Designs.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Today we are visiting Mr. and Mrs. Sreekumar's duplex apartment on the 17th floor of Veegaland, Petunia at Kallur. As you can see, this is a bare bones apartment, but the 3D views and mood boards are ready. So let me show you exactly what we have planned for it. We have planned for a TV unit over here, a living space over here, and a dining space over there. We planned for bench seating with crockery shelves on both sides. Now believe it or not, this wall right here is going to turn into a beautiful puja space. This is where the kitchen will be. Now, before we move further, I want you to keep the scene fresh in your mind because, well, you're in for a treat. Now let us take this bland staircase to the top of the apartment. Mrs. Sreekumar has a passion for chocolates, which she has turned into a successful business, which is exactly why I believe that this will be her favorite place in the entire apartment, the chocolate making area. As a Malayali, there is one thing we all want but might not admit to: storage space and lots of it. We are going to incorporate exactly that into all 4 bedrooms so that they can store everything they cherish. Now, I know you're all eager to see this in real life and give your imagination some rest, so see you all soon. Welcome back. The work is done and I'm really excited for you guys to see this. So come on in.